Darkness fades as a new dawn approaches. Your journey begins now. Silence breaks the heavy stillness. Feel your internal fire rising high. The mind is fertile soil. Plant these seeds of greatness today. I am strong and capable. My spirit is an unbreakable shield. I am focused and driven. My vision cuts through the chaos. I am resilient through storms. No obstacle can ever stop me. I am abundant and prosperous. Success flows toward my hungry soul. I am disciplined and steady. I master my every single impulse. I am wise and aware. Clarity guides my every single step. I am victorious and complete. The world awaits my bright light.